Terengaru! Ia! Marumaru Atua!
Us as an organization, as Cook Island Voyaging Society, we would just like to send a big meitakimata, a thank you to all of those who contributed towards the arrival and the welcoming ceremony a few days ago to bring our waka home safely into port here at Abatu. Namely, we would like to thank the following people. To our Prime Minister, Henry Puna, and our government, thank you very much for organizing our welcome. It was beautiful. To Anthony Turo and the Ministry of Cultural Development and the CNAT team, it was a wonderful welcome, fantastic host for our crew. To Andre and the Port Authority and the Harbour Master, John Jesse, thank you very much for all the allowances you've made for our waka and our crew down here at Abatu Wharf. To the Cook Islands Customs team for clearing our team so efficiently, meitakimata. Special thank you to Karika Ariki and Te Aronga Mana from Abatu. Big thank you going out to the Aotearoa Centre for hosting our crew, for hot showers, a place to sleep, a place to dry off after their 19 days out in trying conditions, meitakimata. To Trish at the Bond Store for the extra comforts for our crew. Thank you so much, very well received. To all the family and friends that came out with food contributions towards our kaikai, hosting the crew the other night. It was a beautiful evening, there was so much food, the crew was so happy, it was a touching time. Thank you, Mata, for all coming in. Big meitakimata going out overseas to all the key assistants, key volunteers, and all those who lend a hand to get our waka over the ocean back here to Rarotonga. To Captain Peia Patai, almost none of this would have gone ahead so smoothly without your guidance and leadership. Meitakimata Captain. To Auntie Rosie Blake and the Cook Islands Consulate in New Zealand. Thank you so much for organizing everything so smoothly behind the scenes and organizing all the working bees down at the boat builders in New Zealand, different youth groups, Cook Island community groups. It's wonderful to see everyone come out in Auckland to assist with our waka. To our core team of volunteers in New Zealand, Karorangi, Anna, Maurai, David, Charlie, and all the others that came down to assist on a regular basis. Thank you so much for all your countless hours of contributions. Martin and Lloyd's, the boat builders team, thank you so much for an excellent job bringing our waka home and restoring her to such a beautiful state. Big thank you to Matua Hoturoa and Te Toki Voyaging Trust for all your assistance, both in New Zealand and towards crew, and of course to Captain John Reed Willison for bringing our waka home safely. Thank you so much for your guidance, assistance, leadership. We cannot thank you enough. Big meitakimata to Papa Orumetua and the CICC community for the beautiful pure to welcome our crew. It touched each and every one of them. Meitakimata. A big thank you going out to CITV for always being on hand to assist us with getting the message out to all our people. Thank you very much. A big thank you going out to Cook Islands Maritime and the Cook Islands Yacht Squadron for all the sponsorship and assistance, specifically with our flags, our life raft and registrations. Thank you so much for all your contributions and support of CIVS and Marumaru Atua. A final thank you to everyone who's been a part of this journey to bring our mama waka home. If I've missed you out specifically, I apologize, but you know who you are. You have been a deep part of everything we've done. We thank you. We hope you will come and join us. We're so happy to have our waka home, and we're all going to be working hard to keep her going, building and growing on our journey as we continue along. Thank you again. Meitakimata.